Hey y'all, welcome back. Thanks for watching again. Uh, it's Griddled cheese porn day. Uh, I've got one set up with regular butter and plain old American cheese for my lovely assistant. And for me, I'm gonna try some Jalapeno Monterey Jack cheese. Um, just because I can. Let me grab my cheese dome. Don't go away. Cheese dome! Come in. I can't do grilled cheese without a cheese dome. This is one of those fancy cheeses you have to slice. I'm not used to that. Just give me a good old-fashioned cheese that is already sliced and wrapped, and I'm lazy. Maybe I should hire a cheese slicer. When all the sponsor money starts coming in, that'll be on my list. I'll hire me a cheese slicer. Let me get her ready. I'm being smart for this once. I'm putting the cheese on before I slap it on the griddle. I know it's a rare moment for me. Occasionally it can happen. I can have a smart moment. Just don't get used to it. Oh, we can make the slices as thick as we want this way, can't we? Oh, how exciting. Let's see what that does. That's a thick slice, too. La, 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 la. This is not a cheese slicer. This is my everything slicer knife. Farberware. Maybe a little more. Right there to fill the gap. Maybe we should taste it just to make sure it's okay. Not enough jalapeno, but it'll be all right. Let's see. Yes, this is butter. I use mayonnaise on mine. I've been on my ranch kick lately, as regular viewers will know. You know what I just did? There we go. But we'll switch back to the old-fashioned butter, mayonnaise, whatever. So, we're at medium low, and as you can see by the sky, it's still forest fire time. Not for us, luckily, this time. Look how perfect that is. Perfect. Can you see that? Oh, I don't want to ruin it. We'll give that a minute. Then we'll switch things around. Actually, I could go ahead and stick mine on, couldn't I? Right there. Maybe stick some bread. It's Texas toast, which is like the best for grilled cheese. Oh yeah. Look how perfect. Yum. So that was plain old butter and American cheese. Let's see how the jalapeno Monterey Jack from Trader Joe's does. I've kind of ran through all of the packaged cheeses, pre-sliced So now I'm having to try the fancy unsliced cheeses. But we'll see what happens. That's what makes life interesting. Right. Yeah, the fires, they're mostly north of us and south east of us down towards LA. But we haven't seen the sun in 2 days. What do you think? Is that perfect yet? 1, 2, 3. Ah! Oh, you know what? The butter did a better uh, even cheese or even browning. Anyway, the fires, they're we haven't seen the sun in 2 days. I've had to keep the hard cover and the soft cover on my griddle. We've been leaving the soft cover off because we don't get rain. But yeah, it's been getting ashes overnight, so both covers are going on. Having to cover the motorcycle to keep the ashes off. It's not bad as you know. Some places I know it's like snow, and I'm very grateful we're not worse, and I pray for those that are more affected. Let's see how. Yeah, we could go a little bit more. We can turn this side off. There's some butter melted over here. Let's borrow some of this butter. Anyway, it's scary. We've been through the fires. Don't want to have to go through them again. Scary, scary stuff. Right, Baja? My co-host, Baja, is busy scratching and has nothing to say on the subject. She, too, had to be evacuated and go and live with other dogs. I think a Chihuahua and some kitty cats. Okay, I say that's done. What do you say? Smells done. Huh? Oh, look at that. Yes, we have no bananas today. So that's it. Just a quick and easy comfort food. Cheesy goodness. Let's do some things here. Uh-oh, sorry. Yummy griddled cheese. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a great day, and we'll see you next time. Bye!